Welcome to my channel. Another day, something to learn. There are 8 important steps to follow when making a Kali Linux USB with persistence and encryption, according to my demonstration below. 1. USB drive 132G. You don't have to use that big. 2. Download Kali Linux. 3. Download Berliner Etcher software that flashes OS images to SD cards and USB drives. 4. Software to edit partitions on the USB thumb drive, mini-tool power data recovery. Or B. Download Rufus only to copy your image to USB. 5. Access your boot menu. Hold the Shift key down on your keyboard, or Shift F9 on HP, and restart. 6. Boot into USB. 7. Boot Kali Live. The first option because we need to do some configuration before the encrypted persistence is active. 8. Once you are in Kali, open the terminal and let's have some fun. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo fdisk-l hash allows you to view all partitions on your system and you will be able to locate your USB. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo crypt setup verbose, verify passphrase LUKS format, dev, SDB2. Type yes in capitals. Put a strong passphrase then verify passphrase. Now the encryption has been created. We now have to open the encrypted container by Kali at Kali, greater than sudo crypt setup LUKS open, dev, SDB2 encrypt data hash, as the name of the container. It will ask you for a passphrase. Now the encrypted container is open. Now let's make the file system extender 3, dev, mapper, encrypt data. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo mkfs.x3, dev, mapper, encrypt data. Once that is done, we give a label to the persistence partition. We can call it persistence as it's the default with Kali. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo e2 label, dev, mapper, encrypt data persistence. Now, the final few commands. Create a directory where the USB is mounted. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo mkdirp, mount, encrypt data. Now mount it. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo mount, dev, mapper, encrypt data, mount, encrypt data. Kali at Kali, greater than cd, mount, encrypt data. Kali at Kali, greater than, mount, encrypt data, greater than sudo touch persistence, conf. Kali at Kali, greater than, mount, encrypt data, greater than sudo nano persistence, conf. Go into insert mode and type union, then esc, save and quit. Kali at Kali, greater than, mount, encrypt data, greater than sudo cat persistence, conf. You will see, union. This kind of text makes it recognized as a persistence partitions. We can go ahead and unmount the dev, mapper, encrypt data, encrypted data container. Kali at Kali, greater than, mount, encrypt data, greater than sudo u mount, dev, mapper, encrypt data. You will get a busy signal because we are in the wrong directory. Type cd until you are back to Kali at Kali, greater than, then run the umount command again. Finally, we have to close the LUKS. Kali at Kali, greater than sudo crypt setup LUKS close, dev, mapper, encrypt data. When you restart, you should be able to boot from the Kali Linux encrypted persistence. When it boots, you want to scroll to Live USB encrypted persistence, etc. It will ask for the passphrase then set up the LUKS containers automatically. At this point anything you do on the desktop, for instance, desktop settings, should be saved. Persistence. Persistence programs start when the system starts, and remember, backdoor maintain our access. Keylogger spy on target, and reporters send reports on startup. Meaning of persistence. Programming our program so that after the first time of execution, it plants itself in the target operating system so that even if the user restarts or turns off the computer and turn it back on, the program will automatically get executed when the user logs into their computer. This will allow us to execute our code every time the computer starts. As a result, any important file that you will write will be more useful if you add persistence to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.